Okay, so here it is. It looks so yummy. So hot. I can't wait to try this. Pour it in there. This is a big one for a pig. Yummy. Spicy, but yummy. Okay, here we are. So good. So good. Like a pack punch of flavor. Spicy. Ooh, wait. Okay. This isn't everything, but again. This is so good. Just meats is so easy to cook. It pairs well with so many different things, or you can eat it on your own. This is my new secret to eating better and getting more protein and having it delivered straight to my door. If you'd like to shop Just Meats, head to their website and use code Rachel R for a special discount.